Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make French toast omelet. Whisk 2 eggs with a splash of milk and a pinch of salt, then stir in 1 teaspoon sugar and a dash of vanilla. Dip 1 slice of thick bread in the egg mix, melt butter in a skillet over medium heat, cook until golden on both sides, fold gently, and serve with your favorite toppings. Start by assembling ingredients and tools so the cooking flows smoothly. Crack 2 large eggs into a bowl, add 2 tablespoons milk, 1 teaspoon sugar, a pinch of salt, and a dash of vanilla if desired. Whisk until just combined, don't overbeat. Place 1 thick slice of bread nearby for dipping. Heat a non-stick skillet with a small pat of butter until it sizzles gently before adding the bread. If you're enjoying the guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: while your kitchen smells amazing, keep your car smelling great too with Little Tree's black ice, a little humor that pairs well with breakfast runs. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one for your commute. Now let's get back to the video. With the skillet ready, dip the bread quickly in the egg mixture, 2 to 3 seconds per side, then place it in the buttered pan. Cook on medium heat about 2 minutes per side until golden and slightly set. Fold the warmed slice gently like an omelet, press lightly to seal, and slide onto a plate. Add syrup, berries, or powdered sugar, slice if you like, and enjoy while warm for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.